Today, I want to talk about the discipline for your business, financial discipline. It's important that you must be disciplined so that your business can grow. One of the tip that I want to give you is that you must avoid unnecessary spending. Avoid unnecessary spending. So for every expense that you have for your business, evaluate it against the return on investment. Ask yourself, what returns am I going to benefit out of these expenses that I'm about to part ways with? Check the how directly that impacts on your revenue generation or on you cutting cost. So if you are spending so that you can cut cost in your business, then go for it. Or if you are spending so that you can generate more revenue, go for it. For example, advertising or partnering with other businesses, and just go for it because it's going to increase your top line. So those are some of the expenses that you need to evaluate for your businesses, and they will make sure that at least you avoid unnecessary spending. And then for big expense that you normally going to incur in your business, maybe try to have some sort of an approval process. Don't just do it on your own. Just get somebody to approve. Just have a process where the expenditure must be approved before you incur it. That will definitely help you. And the reason why I'm actually giving you these tips is because there's a lot of business owners that have approached me and say, hey, I have this business, I make money, but I don't see what I'm doing. I don't see anything tangible that I've done out of this business. It seems like my business is hand to mouth. Whatever amount that comes in, it goes out. You don't want that in your business. You want to run a stable business. You want to run a business that has good financial position. And you want to run the business that at least you know that at the end of the day, the money that you are making, it doesn't go all of it. It can be able to sustain the business for the next 6 months, for the next 12 months. That's where things like your liquidity, your solvency ratio comes in. Those are some of the things that indicates that your business is stable, your business is growing, your business is maturing. So it's important that you avoid unnecessary spending. This thing of, when you feel like ice cream, you just go and buy using the business account. When you feel like you wanna buy clothes, you just go and buy the dress using the business money. It's not gonna take your business anywhere. You are not going to grow. You are not going to grow. So it's important that you avoid those unnecessary spending. Number two, it's cash flow management. Cash flow is very important. I can't stress this enough. It's important. It's important. Cash flow management is very important. So you need to make sure that you monitor the money that is coming into the business and the money that is going out of the business. This helps you to anticipate the shortages and plan for necessary actions, because in case where you can see that, month end I'll not be able to pay my employees' salaries, it's easy for you to be able to take action to say, okay, I can disinvest some of the money from investment. I can do 1, 2, 3. Those are some of the things that you can do after you have evaluated your cash flow and do the cash forecast for the next week or so that you are able to tell what are you going to do with the cash that is in, whether the cash that is in is enough or is not enough. So those things are important. You might take them for granted and think that they are not important, but they are very important. The last thing is to seek professional advice. Don't just do things that you are not sure about. consult your accountant, consult your tax practitioner, consult your financial advisor, consult your legal professional, consult your labor law or labor specialist, consult people that can help you with the information, not just the information, but the right information. Because one thing that I've realized is that people just take information, they don't verify whether it's right or it's not right. So it's important that you seek advice from a professional who will help you, who will give you advice, who will guide you, will counsel you so that your business grows. Whatever decision that you're taking for the business, know what will be the financial implication, what will be the tax implication, what will be the legal implications, what will be the labor implications if you have employees. Check those things. Don't just take decisions. Don't just invest your money into other business in the name of diversifying. Check those things. Do the due diligence. Check the feasibility. Is it feasible for me to take this particular decision? How is it going to impact on my businesses? Is my business still going to grow the way it's growing? How is it going to help me to achieve what I have in my strategy and in terms of the goals and objective of my business? Ask yourself those questions and ask the professional. Ask us. We are the accountants. We are here to help you. If you need any help, shout. We will help you. And of course, at a fee, because we don't do our work for free. We charge. But if you are paying and you can see value in what you are paying for, why not? So I just thought maybe I should just give you the tips of how you can remain financial discipline for your business. Thank you.